Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to track a FedEx package without a tracking number. Ways to track a FedEx package. Without a tracking number, refer to the shipping label or receipt provided to you when your package was shipped. Check the barcode on the shipping label for the tracking number. Log into your FedEx account to locate the tracking number associated with your shipment. Contact FedEx customer service. If you don't have access to a tracking number, you can contact FedEx customer service. They will require some basic information like the address and name of the person or other contact information. FedEx will utilize the addresses to track the package without the need for a tracking number. Door tag ID. If you receive a FedEx door tag, you can enter the door tag number into the tracking shipment area of the FedEx website to trace the location of the specific package along with the time of arrival. FedEx Delivery Manager account. If you sign up for a FedEx Delivery Manager account, you can track packages being sent and received. You can also change the time of day when the shipment will arrive or turn on delivery notifications. Reference number. If you don't have a tracking number, you can still track your package by using a reference number associated with your shipment or a purchase order number. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.